Why was my unmarried son's refugee status remanded again? Imagine waiting for a decision that could change your family's future, only to find out it's been sent back for more review. That's what remanding a refugee case can feel like. If your son's refugee status was remanded again, it might seem confusing or frustrating. But let's look at what's really happening behind the scenes. When immigration authorities remand a case, it means they are sending it back to the immigration judge or agency for further review. This doesn't mean your son's case is denied. Instead, it's a step to make sure all the legal and procedural requirements are properly checked. One common reason for remanding is related to identity, security, or background checks. Immigration agencies often need updated or additional investigations to confirm your son's identity and ensure he poses no security risk. If new information comes up or if the checks are incomplete, they send the case back to verify everything thoroughly. Another reason involves eligibility under family preference categories. For unmarried sons and daughters of U.S. citizens, there are specific rules about age, marital status, and relationship. If your son turned 21 during the process, or if there's any confusion about whether he is still unmarried, the case might be remanded to clarify these details. The Child Status Protection Act is also a factor. This law helps children stay eligible even if they turn 21 while waiting. But applying it can be tricky. If there's uncertainty about your son's age or when he filed his application, the case may be sent back to correctly apply these rules. Sometimes, if your son's refugee status is derivative, meaning it depends on your refugee or asylum status, additional checks are needed. They want to confirm he was properly included and meets all the rules for derivative status. Changes in immigration law or policies can also cause remands. When new standards or court decisions come out, cases are sometimes reopened or sent back for clarification. Remember, a remand isn't a rejection. It's part of the process to ensure everything is correct and fair. To handle this smoothly, stay in touch with your immigration attorney or accredited representative. They can explain the specific reasons for the remand and tell you what documents or evidence are needed. Be ready to gather proof of your son's age, relationship, and unmarried status quickly. Keep detailed records of all your communications and filings. Patience is key because these delays can take time. Many families find it helpful to connect with community organizations that understand Latino family immigration issues. They can offer guidance and support. In the end, a case being remanded again often means more review is needed to meet all legal standards. It's a step to protect your family's rights and ensure your son's eligibility under family-based immigration laws.